welcome to Ja's Cocina. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken fingers. To make this recipe, start with some chicken breast. In a bowl, combine flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, and Italian seasoning. Add in fish sauce, an egg, and a bit of water. Mix everything together thoroughly with the chicken breast, making sure all the dry ingredients are well blended and the chicken is evenly coated. Heat oil in a deep pan and carefully deep fry the marinated chicken breast pieces until golden brown. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan to prevent the chicken fingers from sticking together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Got any suggestions for what I should cook next? Drop them in the comments too. And of course, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next delicious recipe.